The William Peterson Gearwheel factory is one of the most highly specialized niche companies in the world. We are specialized in producing all types of transmission components, ranging from special products in small or large series and the production of replacement transmission parts with a fast delivery time. One of our special skills is the refurbishment of complete gear systems. We produced almost any type of transmission component. We are able to change the gear ratio, and we can implement component improvements upon request. In addition, we are knowledgeable and competent sparring partners who can assist you with finding solutions for your construction challenges. We would be happy to produce a prototype of your project, and it goes without saying that the contents of your project are confidential. William Peterson has been in business since 1893. We consider it our priority to provide our customers with experience and expertise, no matter whether we are required to co-develop a project or deliver gear wheels and other transmission components that require a high level of precision and quality. Our production plants are located in the town of Horsens in Denmark, and they cover some 5,500 square meters. Here we have some of the most modern and efficient machinery available within our area of expertise. We use our modern CNC equipment to produce highly specialized products, including large-scale series productions. Our ultra-precise measuring equipment forms an important cornerstone in the level of top-quality production that characterizes our company. Our CNC production machines cover most of our internal needs for component production. We offer any excess capacity within our CNC production machines to our external customers. Some of our machines are quite old. However, they are the most reliable machines when it comes to producing transmission components with enormous dimensions. Our staff need to be extremely skilled in order to operate this type of specialist equipment. We are proud to say that our staff enable us to live up to our image of a high-quality company possessing extraordinary levels of know-how, reliability and precision. Our aim is to be a desirable business partner with a focus on social responsibility in terms of staff members and company values, as well as the local community. Our staff members are ethnically and socially diverse. Our manufacturing equipment and resources are chosen with a view to protecting the environment as much as possible. All our processes are managed in accordance with the ISO 9001 standard, and we fulfill all safety and environmental requirements. These quality aspects are highly valued by our customers, not only in Denmark, but also across our export markets, and 60% of our production is exported.